Welcome to Autos Time, where we explore the latest in automotive and heavy machinery. Today we're diving into the Caterpillar D12 2025 Bulldozer, a powerhouse engineered for the most challenging construction environments. If you're in the construction industry, you know Caterpillar is a name synonymous with durability, innovation, and unparalleled strength. The D12 2025 model is no exception, and we'll be breaking down what makes this bulldozer a remarkable addition to Caterpillar's lineup. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 has been upgraded to set new standards for efficiency and power. At its core, you have an ultra-powerful, eco-friendly engine. Caterpillar has pushed the boundaries by designing this engine to reduce emissions significantly without compromising on power output. With emissions regulations tightening globally, Caterpillar has ensured the D12 is built for the future, giving you a machine that's not only powerful but also responsible toward the environment. This engine also enhances fuel efficiency, so it's as cost-effective as it is powerful. Less fuel consumption means more savings in the long run, making this bulldozer a smart investment. What really defines the D12 is its new hydraulic system, specifically engineered for smoother, more precise control. Hydraulics are critical in heavy machinery, especially in tasks requiring finesse and power at the same time. The D12's hydraulics allow operators to make fluid, accurate movements, whether they're shifting soil, rocks, or heavy loads. Imagine maneuvering across tough, uneven terrain or handling intricate earth-moving tasks. The D12 is designed to make this feel effortless. For contractors looking for a machine that enhances productivity, the D12's efficiency-boosting hydraulic system is a major selling point. Comfort and safety have also been redefined in this model. The D12 2025 features an upgraded operator cabin that's both spacious and ergonomically designed. Caterpillar has clearly invested time and thought into making sure that operators experience minimal fatigue, even during long shifts. The cabin is fully climate-controlled, keeping operators comfortable in both hot and cold weather. Enhanced noise reduction and vibration control systems make the cabin a quiet and steady workspace. The seat is engineered for optimal posture, and controls are within easy reach, making the operator's experience both convenient and less physically demanding. All of this adds up to a more productive operator and a safer work environment. Now, let's talk about technology, where Caterpillar has truly innovated with the D12 2025. This bulldozer is fitted with Cat Command, which allows for remote control and even semi-autonomous operation. Imagine being able to control this massive machine from a safe distance, reducing risk in potentially hazardous zones. This is a huge advantage in situations where safety is paramount, like working near unstable ground or hazardous materials. And with semi-autonomous capabilities, the D12 can perform certain tasks on its own, adding another layer of efficiency to job sites. It's no longer just a piece of equipment, it's an intelligent asset that adapts to your needs. Maintenance has been streamlined in this model, recognizing that downtime is costly on any construction project. The D12 2025 is designed with easy access maintenance points, making routine checks and repairs simple and fast. Caterpillar's network of service technicians is always on standby to provide quick support, but the D12 also features onboard diagnostics that monitor the machine's performance in real time. This system will alert operators or technicians to any issues before they become major problems. By reducing the time spent on maintenance and repairs, the D12 keeps projects moving forward, a crucial factor for contractors who operate on tight deadlines. One of the standout features of the D12 2025 is its sheer versatility. This bulldozer can handle everything from large-scale mining and road building to more intricate tasks like site preparation and land clearing. Caterpillar has made sure this machine is adaptable to a wide range of environments, so it's not limited to one type of job. It's rugged enough for the most demanding projects, but precise enough to be used on jobs that require detailed earth movement. This adaptability makes the D12 a valuable asset across different sectors of the construction industry. Durability is at the heart of Caterpillar's design philosophy, and the D12 2025 is built to last. With reinforced materials and high-quality components, it's designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Whether it's extreme heat, cold, or rough terrain, this bulldozer is built to keep going. Caterpillar's focus on durability not only protects your investment, but also ensures that the D12 will deliver consistent performance year after year, even in the toughest environments. So, if you're in the market for a bulldozer that combines power, precision, and technology, the Caterpillar D12 2025 is a game changer. From its eco-friendly engine and advanced hydraulics to its comfort-focused cabin and cutting-edge technology, this bulldozer is a complete package. It's designed to enhance productivity, ensure safety, and provide unmatched reliability. Caterpillar has once again set the bar high with this model, and the D12 2025 is sure to be a valuable addition to any heavy-duty fleet. Thanks for tuning in to Autos Time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Caterpillar D12 2025, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on the latest in automotive and heavy machinery. See you in the next one.